Hi, my name is Shannon Seaver. Join me today as my class and I learn to find the explicit formulas for geometric and arithmetic sequences. Some basic vocabulary terms that you need to know are listed here on the page, as well as the formulas for the explicit geometric sequence and for the arithmetic sequence. Take a moment to look at these 4 problems. By the end of this video, you should be able to come up with the explicit formula for all 4 of these. First thing I would recommend you do on these is I would check to see if it's arithmetic, because that's really easy to find once you find it, okay? So check to see what your differences are. So what's the difference between 18 and 24? Okay, 6. What's the difference between 24? So that's your common difference already, right? Here, I'll put another one up there, just so that we don't have that. Okay, so this will be equals D. That's your D. Okay? So what would be my next 2 terms on this if I add 6 to it? 42. And what's the next one? 48. Okay? So now I need to put into my formula a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d to find my explicit formula. What's my a sub 1 in this case? 18. And we're going to distribute that 6. So I have 18 plus 6n minus 6.
So 12.
Yep, 12 plus 6n. All right? Nope, just wants explicit.
Whether arithmetic or geographic?
If you're adding the same amount each time, that's arithmetic. Okay, so let's put that on the side here.
You would also do check.
Yep. Okay, so arithmetic, you're adding or subtracting. Okay? Geometric, you're doing what? Multiply or divide. Okay? And like Juliana said, we can just check it too by doing the tricks that we just did above. Okay? So you can check it by, on this one, you could add 1 plus 6 and divide it by 2, and do you get 3? Yes. Let's try it again. 3 plus 10 divided by 2, is that 6? No. Okay, so that's not right. The other way I like to check each one like this. My differences here are 2, 3, and 4.
How do you know if they're neither?
Yeah. Okay, so this one, if I find my differences again, 1 and 1 is on the second time. What kind of a function it gives me on the second common differences? Quadratic. So it's not going to be either one. This one's quadratic.
So would this be, you'd have to put it in your calculator?
Yeah, this one we won't even do right now. Yeah, you would have to put your calculator and do a quadratic regression. Okay? This one, let's find our differences again. What's the difference between this one and this one here?
4.
It's going down by 4. It's negative 4. How about here? Negative 3. Negative 2.25. So it's not arithmetic, right?
It's neither.
So let's try this. Let's take 12 divided by 16. What do you get? Or 0.75, 3/4. How about 9 divided by 12? So what is this type of series? Geometric, correct. Okay, so what's my next term if that's the case? Yep, multiplying by 3/4. Okay, 5.0625, I'm just rounding it up. And what is that times 0.75 again? 3 point, okay, and I rounded that up to 3.8. All right, so my explicit formula on this is going to be a sub n equals my first one, which is what? 16. What's my ratio? 0.75 to the n minus 1. So that's your explicit formula on this one. How about this one? What is my differences here?
Geometric by 2.
Yep, it's geometric. It doesn't work out arithmetically. So if I did this 48 divided by 96, that's 1/2, right? Or 0.5. And 24 divided by 48, once again, that's 1/2. So you know it's geometric. So what is my explicit formula here?
Would be a sub n equals 96 and in parentheses 0.5 and raised to n minus 1.
Correct.
Are we done?
Almost. Okay, let's look at E.
Neither.
This one's neither. This one's a special case. Do you guys know what kind of a sequence this is?
Oh, is it the golden
Yes.
ratio?
Fibonacci. Fibonacci. Basically, this is taking,
N minus 1 plus n minus 2.
yep, n minus 1
Doesn't it go like
plus n minus 2.
1, 1, 2, 3, 5?
Yeah. Yeah, they skipped the first two. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. Do you guys see it now?
8 plus 13 is 21.
Yep. Okay, I'm going to finish this tomorrow. Remember these? Take a moment right now to try to find the explicit formula. And then when you're done, turn back on the video and you'll see the answer. Here's the answers to these 4 problems.